Na? What's up guys? Another day, another unboxing. And
It took a year to make
no,
another.
not really, no. So we've been to Japan, me and my wife and I. And we went to Osaka,
What?
and as a collector, it's mandatory for me to visit Denden Town. So it's the equivalent of Akihabara of Tokyo for Osaka. So Denden Town. So it has all kinds of collectibles, just like what you can find in Akihabara. And there is one particular set or collectibles that I saw that is for me about time that we have in the cafe. And that is one of the hottest and actually one of my favorite series now, which is Sakamoto Days. So it's like the store is like second-hand store where in glass cases there are second-hand items that we just pick and tell the staff that we want to buy. So it's not like all the other collectibles here that are brand new. So I don't expect much from this. As you can see, it's I've compiled it in one box, very rugged, and hopefully nothing is broken because since this is a second-hand item, it doesn't come with a box.
My
So what?
is broken. My like that is broken.
Yeah, the one. So I also bought my son here his first collectible item, which is
And I have a Superman
military
toy.
diorama.
And I have a Superman.
And you have a Superman toy, alright? So for now, our guys here are gonna watch an unboxing of our latest addition to our collection, which is Sakamoto Days, alright? So first, there, can you move this? First, let's see, okay? Alright, so this is Shin. So we have 5 items plus 1 stand.
He's holding a gun. Look. Pum, 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 pum.
Alright, so
He's holding a gun.
tuloy-tuloy mo lang dyan. Ako na
Holding a
mag-edit.
gun.
Wait lang, bibi. Okay, so as you can see, it's just randomly packed on a plastic with scotch tape to hold the items because the staff there said that this is the best they can do. They cannot box it up for me. This is the best they can do. So I guess it's up to the buyers to really take care of the item. So
Hala.
I'm not sure also the brand of this collection of this toys. So I think it's something like Mega House, something along those lines. But I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure because it's the first. I don't really buy PVC items. As you can see, I collect mostly
My
resin
turn.
items, statues. But this is just, I saw it and I for me, it's something that I cannot pass up. So as you can see the details of, can you do a close up? It's very good looking. It's super nice, even though it's small. Super nice. Look at all of it. It's very the likeness is spot on, and hopefully for this one, for Shin, there's no broken items, even though there's a lot of very breakable parts like his hair and the ribbon around his back and the fingers. Thankfully, there's no broken item, no broken parts. So it's less, you just assemble it. I'm not sure how to assemble it actually.
I'm
So-
not just teach you. I'm sure. My turn.
So I guess you,
Put it on.
so you just put it on the stand, on its stand, and on its back. So I just need to figure out how to insert it. Pause mo muna doon, medyo. Para hindi masyadong ano. Ganun lang. Kaso ano eh, meron pa siyang harang.
My turn.
Anong your turn?
I'm holding a bag with fun. Like a hand holding a gun. Wait, there's feet over here. That's you. Papa, that's me.
Wait
Wait,
lang.
I'm holding another person.
Sir, paano pag-post?
Ha?
Dito?
Hindi ka pala ka-pause, pause. Yan. Diba ganyan lang? Go.
Play.
So, Dirty is gonna unbox. Who is this guy?
I
You don't watch kasi na Sakamoto Days eh. Next time you watch with Papa ha.
Okay.
This guy's name is called Nagumo.
Nagumo.
Yeah. Oh my gosh! I knew it! As I've been telling you guys, this is the risk I take in order for me to experience this. No, it's not Nagumo. It's Taro Sakamoto.
Oh,
It's
that's
it's the young version of Taro Sakamoto. Dirk, dahan-dahan. Okay? Dahan-dahan din.
Besides, in white here.
Okay, so this is Taro Sakamoto.
I'm gonna assemble
His
this
young
thing.
version. His peak version.
Give me. I'm
Alright.
putting the hand there.
So Dirky is gonna explain how to assemble it.
You have to put the feet over here. There.
Okay. Dirk, dahan-dahan din.
He has a tie. The glasses, I think, are the glasses.
Louder. They
The
cannot hear.
glasses are movable.
Okay.
He has a gun and he's putting it.
And what is this for?
I think it's
As-
for like the stand for the
A feet stand. Right.
Feet stand.
So, I guess goes like this. Yan.
It's cool because he's holding a gun.
Yan. Alright. Ay,
I like people holding like figures holding guns. I think it's at the other side.
I think so too.
Yun. Alright. So, here we have the young version of Taro Sakamoto. As you can see, the details spot on. It has 3 different sections and a foot base. So I cannot see any markings except for this BSP China. So I'm not really sure the maker of this this set. So if any of you here knows who the maker is, please comment down below and help me complete the entire cast of Sakamoto Days.
All
so that
YouTubers say
yeah,
that.
we- so-
Comment down below.
yeah, so that we can complete all the characters of Sakamoto Days because I really like this. I really like this PVC set of this this particular maker.
Wait,
No,
could I have?
Dirk, no,
both of
get
them?
another one.
It's my turn.
Your turn. O, si Kukay's turn naman ha.
The main character, Mr. Sakimoto.
You tell everyone. Tell everyone. Who is this?
Hello everyone, this is Mr. Sakimoto.
Kukay's turn naman ha. Kukay's turn daw.
There.
Kukay's turn kasi cutie si Mr. Sakamoto here.
He's fine.
You get your another one there for you. Wait lang. Tutulungan ka ni Papa ha. Slowly. Alright, guys. So this one naman is the chubby version of Taro Sakamoto. Oh! Guys, you can just imagine the tension that I'm feeling whenever I unbox this delicate items with my kids. But that's part of the game, no? That's part of my experience that I want them to experience.
Stop doing your
Alright,
cute
so
boy. Stop,
wait lang.
stop
So,
doing your cute
yeah.
version of your boy.
Yan. Wait ka?
Stop doing
Paano?
the
Bakit?
cute version of
Pause mo
your
muna.
boy.
Who? Quasimodo? Sakamoto.
Sakamoto and my turn. Look at the details of him
Lapit mo.
and comment down below who's your favorite character.
Can you tell everyone what you see in Sakamoto? Can you describe Sakamoto?
Yes,
Lucas turn.
and you can comment down below what's your favorite.
Yung dalawang bearing niya, ipalala.
Suko muna.
Stop doing your cute voice.
That's his regular voice.
Director in the movie Sakamoto this one.
Who's this? Shin.
Shin or Kasamodo.
Kasamodo. Oh, dahan-dahan ha.
Okay.
Alright, so next, Kuya's turn naman to unbox the next figure.
The guy.
So, okay, so by the way, guys, this one doesn't have markings also, so please, guys, help me find out who the maker of these figures are. The only marking that I can see is BSP China.
Defeated.
If it's China, I don't care, guys. I just need to find out who this is. I want the entire Sakamoto line from this maker. Guys, please help me out here. So next, Dirk, can you unbox the next figure?
And after it's my turn.
Your turn. Your turn.
Wait, it's already open. Oh, it's inside the box.
Okay. Dahan. Okay, sige, I'll help you. Open.
Wait, where's the plastic?
Oh, baka ninyo, masagi ninyo yung table, ha?
Cube. Rubik's Cube.
But why are you saying that Luca is doing his cute voice? That's his normal voice. Super cute.
It's his cute voice.
Oh, and you're just saying that Lucas' voice is cute. It's naturally cute. No? Pause mo nga muna, Lo. Dahan-dahan ka, dahan-dahan. So, you talk while you're unboxing.
So,
Unwrapping, no. So, it's not an unboxing. It's an unwrapping. Because we're unwrapping it from a plastic.
So, to take a moment to let this open.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. Yan.
Why's there so many things?
Ganun talaga because you need to be very careful when wrapping this thing.
So,
The good thing about PVC is it's a lot more durable than resin. Figures.
no.
That's why even though it's packed this way, we're confident that it doesn't have any breakage. Unlike if you do it on a resin figure, definitely, if you pack it this way, definitely there's gonna be tons and tons of breakage.
He's holding a dice in his finger.
Who is this guy first?
I still don't
Nagumo.
know. Nagumo.
One of the assassins from a powerful group called the Order.
Wait, is this harder? I
Uh-huh.
thought he's another guy.
Wait lang. Another guy naman talaga siya.
Oh, I thought his face looked like different. It's hard.
Yeah, it's a little bit hard. I think that's it.
That's it.
Yeah. Okay, go get the other parts. So for Nagumo, we have
His face is
his face is a little bit covered.
The face details are covered, but you can still.
And what can you say about his hands?
It has tattoos in it, and he's holding a dice.
So,
like what I said before.
Yeah, so like I said, even though it's unmarked or even though it's BSP China or China made, look at the details. It's so nice. The likeness from the original anime is spot on.
Wait.
So that's why I really like this figure.
Could I have?
And it's relatively cheap, no? So guys,
Could I have?
if you can tell me the maker of this figure and you tell
You
me
said that too
the
many times.
SRP of this figure, I'll tell you how much I got it and we'll compare if it's if what I got it from is overpriced or if I got it for a good deal.
Wait.
So he has a sword that that he holds on his right hand. I'm not sure how to
Wait.
insert it. Unfortunately, I didn't take a picture of these figures while it was displayed, so I'm not really 100% sure of the positioning or the, like for this sword, I'm not 100% sure how to insert it on his hand, so
I think
I'll just do my best.
Wait. Pause.
What's now?
He finally inserted it.
Yeah, so I'm not
But
sure
who's he fighting?
how he holds it. So let's see, no?
Oh no. Hiya! 소리가 소리야.
It's a little unstable, so we'll just figure out how best to position the stand. All right.
I think he's
And finally, we will unwrap the last member, which is Lou. But we have one more.
blue.
Kukay star naman ha, because it's the last figure na. Yan, everyone.
This is my favorite.
What's her name?
Her name is Lou.
Yes.
And
She is a martial artist.
and he's a martial artist.
She's a girl.
He's a girl.
She is from a like a mafia.
I cannot see. If he is in his light force, that means it's his beauty.
Okay, so Lou here is one whole body, but her ponytail is separated because it's I guess it's the most fragile part.
And you can place your own. It's yours.
That's it. Oh, you insert her here. Oh, dandan. In the back, in the back. Yan, very good. Let's go! Galing nga! Oh, you insert her. Put her. Then. That's Lou. Alright, guys, so we have the entire set that I got from Osaka. Well, actually, guys, no, the story goes like this, no. I bought these three first because you can only buy them as a set. These three, Sakamoto. Wait lang, baby. Sakamoto, Lou, and Shin. But I just saw that. I also saw the younger Sakamoto and Nagumo,
Sakamoto
and I found
versus
them very
Sakamoto.
nice looking, and I found that they fit perfectly with these three, so I just bought them all together.
Sakamoto
So that's why
versus-
we have 5 different sets here.
Papa, look, Sakamoto versus
And-
Sakamoto.
Also, I'm not sure if that's why these three are bought as a set because look at the difference of their bases. This set here has a similar circular base, and this has this like support stand here. So maybe they are from different makers. It says here BSP China, and here also say here it doesn't have any marking, but it does have like a serial number at the bottom. So please guys, if you know anything about this set, please comment down below. And look guys, Luca found
I found that
one
first.
last piece of the of my Den Town purchase, which is
Why did you
the
buy the younger
Sakamoto logo, Sakamoto Days logo. So I guess it's a nice touch to complete this set.
Look,
And I'm looking forward to add more characters to this.
Sakamoto versus Sakamoto.
I know.
I don't know who's that again. And
Wait lang.
Princess Ben.
Wait lang, diba?
And
So,
Lin at the middle.
it's a simple base. Simple acrylic stand that says Sakamoto base. And that's it, guys! So,
Kain na na.
we'll be displaying it. I already have pedestals made for them, ready for them, and we'll be displaying it at the cafe. So I'll be adding the video of the completed set all together. And that's it, guys. So see you on the next unboxing. Pause lang.
Could you please bring Optimus Prime down here? Papa! Can you bring Optimus Prime here to invite?
Basta yung mga ilaw mo dyan, hindi na nagkapo. Okay. Okay. Hindi na nagkapo na.